The brain and the body work together. So when it comes to mental fitness practices, there are physical practices that influence how you think, how you feel, and how your brain reacts. So the same as your brain is sending out signals to your body is also sending back signals to your brain. So, the goal is to get them in balance, and for your body to be influencing your brain in a healthy way, the same way that your brain is influencing your body in a healthy way with those neurological signals. So practices like breathing or physical exercise can be part of a mental fitness practice. Even a hug or a massage, any sort of physical contact or social, healthful social encounter, resting your eyes or looking at a beautiful scenery that can calm your mind are very helpful as well. And I'll talk a little bit more about that specific brain function in a second. So the motivation is really the focus of mental fitness, really understanding what's motivating you, what's influencing your motivation, and that you perceive what's possible. Because if you don't perceive the possibility, if you don't perceive that something has a benefit for you, that something is worth you striving for or worth you attempting or doing, you won't take the steps to get there. And I really link motivation and hope together, that neurochemically speaking, they're both connected to dopamine, and it's that pleasure, it's that sense of reward that dopamine provides that really is the motivation neurologically that allows you to pursue a goal and then to feel good when you achieve it. So the question to take away today, and what, with mental fitness, you really want to focus on is what's influencing your motivation internally and externally. I use this graphic just again in contrast to the Psychology Today covers and most physical fitness covers. Fitness really is not about physical ability. Fitness is really about, can you thrive and optimize yourself with whatever body, with whatever physical abilities you have, by promoting brain health, healthy neurological activity, a healthy mental well-being. Stephen Hawking was diagnosed with ALS in his teens, and he contributed to society for 60 years with little physical ability. But it was based on how he maintained his mental well-being and his motivation that allowed him to continue even through all the physical struggles that he had. So we'll do a quick overview of brain function. We're going to dig deeper now, more about neural pathways as these electrical signals that get stronger, and they forge what's called the myelin sheath around the neurons. The more they fire, the stronger they are, and the more immediate their reaction. So that's how you develop habits. You'll drive to work when you meant to go to the store because your brain just has done it so many times that, you kind of are on autopilot. So it's those repetitive behaviors and those repetitive neural connections that forge those pathways. That also makes them hard to change. So if you have habits and behaviors that you're trying to change, it's not just that you're trying to form a new behavior, it's that you're trying to break away from those existing neural pathways and those kind of automatic results that your brain has developed. So it takes more effort to change behaviors once they're already formed. You have, 100 billion neurons in your brain. You have hundreds of neurotransmitters. And the really important part here isn't to remember all the names and all these scientific terms and terminology. It's really about, more about awareness, about how to take care of your brain and the importance of it, just so you know that there's more going on under there than willpower. There's a lot going on in your body and your brain that are resulting in how you feel, how you think, and ultimately how you behave. Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share the 40 Fit video you just watched. In the meantime, exercise your mind.